guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, this is Marissa again. I will be working today with the cheer layout kit by Kiwi Lane. I already opened the package, so it'll be faster for us to go through this kit. So at the back of the kit are sketches or templates, just sketches that you can work with this kit. As you can tell, this kit is actually very versatile in using either as a Christmas or a generic. So I'm gonna go for the generic today, and let me show you what this kit has, or the prints of this kit. And we start off with the card paper. So as usual, we have our base, or the border, the base, and then the sentiments here. Just showing you closer the sentiments. Make sure that you can see that. Okay, at the back, there you go. Again, the border and the base. And here, this side is the Christmas side of the kit. Next, we have this paper here. More Christmassy, but again, it's made to look like it could be used for generic layouts too. And here's the back of that paper. I love how they made the strips with, you know, with designs now at the back. So that's one. I love this twinkling, twinkling, twinkling. And then, oh, look at that paper. I love generic papers like this. And then we have 12 by 6 papers right here. And then at the back, again, another strip. This is the Christmas side of this paper. Then we have the base papers. We have the green side. And then we have the more basic. Oh, I like this color. It's cool and nice. Very cool. Okay, well, I'm going to get back with you guys, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to lay. Oh, by the way, look, I just noticed the strip is cameras. Can you see that? That is so awesome. Anyway, I'll get back with you guys with the templates that I'm going to use, and I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, guys, I am back. I am going to be working with, this is going to be a one page with 2 photos layout. And I'm going to use this as my base for the layouts, the 4x6 photo mats. I'm going to be using brackets 3T. Again, this is from the Tiny Brackets. And also brackets 4T. Again, from the Tiny Brackets. We're going to be using, I am in love with scallops lately, so I'm going to be using scallops 2A. And again, my favorite, 2 1/2-inch strips. So this is how I envision this layout. So I'm putting one of these brackets up at the corner just for interest, or maybe you can even use this where you can put your title. Oh, I'm hoping that I'm in the middle of the frame here. Okay, so up there, the very top, then I plan to put the scallops down there. And then, of course, because I don't want the seams to show, I'm going to use that. Then I'm going to use this. I'm thinking maybe I'll put it on the opposite side. And then I'll put this down here. And then the 2 papers, the two photos this way. So what I'm thinking too is I'm going to mat this too, and I'm going to cut a strip of maybe, I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, maybe a 4.5 by 12. And I'm going to use that as a mat for the 2 pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and start tracing this on the papers that I've chosen, and you'll see them in a few minutes. I'm showing you guys how versatile these templates are, so you can see. I want to cut this out here, the sentiment down here, and I'm going to use this right here to do that. And so I love how they're transparent and you can see through. And there you go. So I'm going to cut this out later. I just thought I'd show you how I'm going to use that. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back. I am done cutting and inking and kind of messed up on my scallop, but oh well. So let me go ahead and start tacking this down and see how simple this layout is. So we're going to start off right there at the very top, like I had mentioned earlier.
Put this at the very top right there in the corner. Then we're going to tack down our scallop. Right down there. So I normally would line this to the edge, but since I have an element up here, I wanted to make sure that it is straight anyway. So there you go. And then I cut out the canvas strip. I really like that. Anyway, let me go ahead and tack this on and cover the seam. Like so.
At this point, if you want to put an embellishment here or maybe even a title, you can do so. And then we're going to tack this down. And we decided to put this down at the bottom. Oh geez, I forgot to ink it. Again, let me show you how I would ink this. Just sliding around it at an angle. Inking opportunity. There you go. And it's inked. And let me tack it down. I'm gonna try and center it like the same distance over there, and I'll try to put it down here in the same distance.
About maybe right there. Okay, I hope you can see what I'm doing. And then put down the strip like we did on the top right there. Over, maybe I want to show the little points over there. Okay, this works. And then the map for the photos goes right there. Make sure it's centered here. Okay.
And then, of course, our photos would go there. Centered. So there you go, guys. A very simple layout. It was easy to put together. And again, you're very welcome to Scrap Lift. Hope you like this layout. If you do, please comment down below. I'd like to hear from you guys. And give me a thumbs up. Please share this with your friends. And please subscribe. That's it, folks. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.